Hello everyone. Um, I am today about to talk to you about this wonderful new hat. This hat is has been knitted by myself, Anna Vanila, on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and I have promised I am going to give this to a super subscriber, loyal fan on my other channel, Anna Vanila main channel, and I'm going to gift this to my lucky subscriber. And this is the finished piece, and we are talking about now in this video. This is this stitching at the back. The back is barely seen. Yeah, it's stretchy. It's got a nice design, nice feature here. Nice front stitch, crossed stitch on the front stitch, and then you get purl stitches on the sides of everything, and it looks like a little plait going all the way through the hat, which is quite good because it might be a bigger size for somebody, and fit smaller sizes as well. So it would be a size for all, I think. I hope so. I hope it will fit well for the lucky one who's going to get it, who's going to get this hat. And it's made from acrylic yarn in this deep gray, wonderful gray. I have made the same hat, same pattern, but in milky color tones, in beige color tones, some sort of off-white color. And I thought I am going to definitely do one in gray for my lucky subscriber and make their day happy by getting it and wearing it. Made by myself, Anna Vanila, and for them to be keeping warm and happy for having this hat. And I hope the lucky person would love it. It's unisex hat, so it will fit and be nice even for a lady. Why not? Obviously the color is very much more masculine, I would say, but I think if I was because I'm a lady, I would wear easily colors like this. It doesn't have to be white or off-white colors or colorful. It might be something turned down in color tones. Why not? And it will fit very well. This is at the back how it looks like at the top. As you can see, I've done a careful job there. And this is a stitch at the back, and I have hidden the thread, the yarn here at the back, and the hat is very elasticated, very nice. It has never been washed. It's brand new. It's made out of fresh yarn bought from a shop. The yarn is fresh, and it's straightforward, knitted by me, and I think it should fit children as well, why not? And yeah, it would fit nicely even my mom, somebody who is older. And as I mentioned before, it is from a very freshly bought yarn, so it's all new pattern I've made, new yarn that I bought, and it looks nice. It should work out nicely for the person that will going to get this. And I would like to thank you very much for subscribing, for watching my videos and my photos on my main channel Anna Vanila, and for watching and subscribing Anna Vanila Arts channel, where I show everything that I do, like knitting and other things, other hobbies. And I am sending to you all my love, and I hope you might get it. You might get this this hat. So leave a comment on my channel, and I'm going to send it to the lucky winner. Okay, thank you very much, and see you soon in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.